My name is Mark Tatham.
And I'm the Bundu Basher. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new something else for me. Good morning! It is 6:45 in the morning in the Kruger National Park. We're heading out for a very early morning drive. It's quite nice and cool at the moment, only 20.5 degrees to be exact. A little bit overcast, which means animals will be a little bit more active. We're heading off to a little bird hide around the corner, and so hopefully we're going to get some really lacquer shots. So stay with us. Did you know that an ostrich can actually roar? Well, not really, but it makes a sound that sounds very similar to the roar of a lion. A lion's roar is basically and an ostrich sounds a bit like so it's basically the other way around. Beautiful little baby giraffe. When they're born, they're about 100 kilograms. This one's a little bit older, so it's probably about 3 or 4 times that. They don't stop eating. They basically eat for 15 to 20 hours a day. So to see a giraffe not eating is quite weird. But it's really cool to see the little one right next to its mother. And it almost looks like its neck is actually too short for its body. Saddle-billed stork. It gets its name from the little yellow saddle on the top of its beak, but it's actually an endangered species, so we need to be very careful about protecting it. And at 1.5 meters tall, it's almost as tall as I am, which is not actually very difficult. Ooh, crested barbet. Hello, lad. Oh, he's shivering, having a lovely little shake. The sound of a Burchell's cuckoo. And death in the bush. Sometimes it's not about the living things, it's about the dead. The coolest thing I've ever seen. We've just seen a side-striped jackal. There's actually 2 of them. I can't believe it. This is a very, very rare animal to find in the Kruger Park. I've only seen 1 of them in my whole life. And honestly, I'm just so excited. He was kicking the part he wasn't meant to kick.